Hey guys, how's it going? Here we go again. Another excursion here on Maui. For those who didn't see my other videos, I am house sitting for a week for family here on Maui, and I'm driving their tracker vehicle here down this super bumpy road because this is where they live. As you can see, it is a gloriously beautiful sunny day. I'm stoked because I'm going today to Haleakala National Park in the middle of the island here, going to go up in elevation away from the beach, a little something different from the, you know, beach surfer scene. Haleakala means house of the sun, and it is the site of a dormant volcano. No, not the volcano that is currently erupting on the big island of Hawaii, but a dormant volcano that last erupted like 500 years ago or something like that. So no risk of getting in the way of lava or anything. All right, I'm going to get out on the main road here and keep cruising. What a day. I guess I'm heading more or less up that direction, so there are a few clouds, but this is definitely the sunniest day since I've been here. I've been here for a week, and actually today is my last day house sitting, and so this is my last adventure with the tracker. So I will definitely have to come back to Maui once again to see more. There's so much more to see on this island. I have just scratched the surface in my week here. Such epic trees. Okay, which way to go? Time to consult my Google Maps. Nice view. You can see Lanai Island out there, and the other part of Maui, the mountains there, the ocean on both sides, and then the other small island over there, it's called something like Ko'olawe. You can't visit there as a tourist. And so we're going up in elevation, and I kind of forgot about the concept of things getting colder. Here I am in shorts and a tank top. I hope I'm going to be all right once we get even further up there. Just kidding. I came prepared. Levi's, hat, warm socks, long sleeve shirt, a jacket in the backpack. I should be set. Check it out, the Astronomical Observatory, it looks like, at the top of the peak. awesome view. Of Maui. Not the highest point in Hawaii, however. That is on the Big Island, which is out there. I think I can see it actually. Can't see the volcano. I was hoping maybe I would see the eruption, the smoke or whatever from the Kilauea volcano on the Big Island. But the highest peak on the Hawaiian Islands is also on the Big Island, and that is Mauna Kea at 13,803 feet. And it's actually kind of warm up here. A little bit of a breeze, but got my jeans on and a t-shirt, but I'm like perfectly comfortable. Haleakala Observatories. Incongruous in the Cinder Desert like a science fiction movie set, this cluster of white domed buildings connects Haleakala to outer space. The domes house powerful telescopes for the defense and scientific communities. Observatories were built near the highest mountain on Maui because the site offers the fourth best viewing conditions on the planet. Here above the clouds, the atmosphere is clear and dry with minimal air and light pollution. The largest scope can track objects as small as a basketball more than 20,000 miles away. Although employing the latest technology, astronomy is consistent with ancient Hawaiian traditions when elders brought apprentice Hawaiian astronomers here to study the heavens and learn to navigate by the stars. Wow, that's a trip. And so I'm going to guess that is the Big Island over there.
The worst class and the most boring they gave
Okay, we're going. Are we going down the path?
And so that is indeed the Big Island and the two high peaks of Mauna Kea and Mauna Loa. What may look like the summit crater is not a volcanic crater. On Haleakala summit, there was no massive blowout. The deep basin below is instead an erosional valley, where wind, stream runoff, and landslides carried away loose cinders and soil during pauses in volcanic activity. Just gonna do a little hike here. Not gonna go too far, but as you can see, the trail goes downhill from here, and it goes down to a campground which is 5.8 miles, so that would be 12 miles round trip. Not gonna do that, but stretch the legs here a bit. Super cool. You can see the trail going along there, so no surprises with the scenery. I can see exactly what I'm gonna be seeing in the course of this hike, however far I go. Yeah, this is cool. Looks kind of like Mars or some ancient dinosaur landscape. So people have asked about my sandals. As you can see, I got different sandals on for hiking. These are sturdy, like hiking action sports sandals, and they're Outland brand, and they're real comfy, super sturdy, great for hiking and going in the water, whatever, jumping off waterfalls.